Looking forward to transfer photos from SD card to iPhone? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. I'll be guiding you with the step-by-step process. So the very first thing you want to do is to get a Lightning to SD card camera reader. This is a small adapter made by Apple that plugs into your iPhone, so make sure to plug that in. And then insert the SD card. Take your SD card and slide it into the reader. Plug the reader into your iPhone's charging port. Your iPhone will automatically detect the SD card and open the Import tab in Photos. If not, just open the Photos app manually and tap Import. After that, select the photos you want. Browse through the SD card and choose the picture or videos you would like to bring over. And then tap Import. You can either import selected items or import everything at once. After importing, you will get an option to keep or delete the photos on your SD card. After that, check your iPhone gallery. The imported photos will appear in your Photos app under Recents. So this is simply how you can transfer photos from SD card to iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.